Welcome to the post-game press conference and congratulations to you, Coach Manu Inigo of the winning team, the Davao Occidental Tigers, and also being joined here by Bam Gamalinda. So Coach, unahin ko na si Bam, no? Bam, I know, kita naman natin galing sa talo yung Davao last time around, no? And what a way for you to bounce back. And expected naman yan na pagdating dito sa playoffs, ibang klase na yung atmosphere ng level ng lalaruin ninyo, no? But of course, this is just the first step. So anong inaasahan natin sa susunod? Medyo pahirap na ng pahirap itong level ng competition.
First of all glory to God for this win. Sobrang thankful kami. Healthy kami lahat. Yun nga, coming from the last game, so credit sa coaches kasi yung preparation namin sa defense. And yun nga, sabi nga nila, if we execute sa defense maayos, sasabay yung offense, which is nangyari today. So credit sa coaches na na-prepare kami na maayos.
Alright, okay. Coach, syempre galing sa talo, you're so eager to bounce back and tingin mo ba somehow naging parang blessing in disguise pa yun na parang all fired up yung mga players mo ngayon to show up?
Well, sabi ko nga, lahat naman ng games namin, learning process namin yan eh. So lahat ng talo, natututo kami dyan. So maganda rin yung naging resulta din ng talo namin kasi nga, mas nagising kami. Mas sineryoso rin namin yung practices namin. Tapos yan, makapag-prepare kami ng maganda.
Okay, right. Bam, nakikita naman natin, yung iba na rin yung timpla ng Davao, Oxy, no? Makikita mo ngayon, may mga batang players kayo like Inot, andyan rin si Justin Sanchez, no? But for you as a veteran coming in, how do you see yourself fitting in dito sa system ni Coach Manu?
Kailangan lang magpa-kondisyon. Kasi yun nga, at the start of this season, di ba? Sabi ko, yung excitement na mangyayari kasi kahit naman sa ibang teams, di ba? Combination of veterans and yung mga young guns. So, ang young guns di mag-a-adjust eh. Kami mag-a-adjust. So, yung conditioning nandun, yung preparation, and I think yung chemistry namin. Kahit pa paano nakikita naman. Although may mga lapses konti, pero like in this game na kuha namin, na ayos namin. So, coming sa second round, I think we'll be okay.
Okay, right. Coach Manu, kita naman natin dito, alam naman natin yung Davao, may rich tradition din yan eh. Pagdating sa winning, di ba, sa ibang liga, nananalo yan, nagcha-champion yan, no? So, being you as a parang caretaker of that legacy, no? As a coach, medyo mabigat ba yung responsibility na yan?
Well, mabigat talaga kasi nga champion team tong Davao na to kahit sa liga, MPBL tsaka yung PSL, talagang may championship sila. So, mabigat para sa amin pero part yan ng job namin eh. So, excited kami sa mga ganyan.
Okay. Bam, etong susunod na laban ninyo, second phase of the playoffs, this is going to be parang championship atmosphere na yung mararanasan natin dito, no? So, anong pang inaasahan natin for you to level up yung performance pa ng Davao?
Defense talaga. And I know, nakikita ko yung mga teammates ko na, including me, na sobrang excited kami to face the Nueva Ecija.
Okay. Nueva Ecija is your prize, coach, di ba? Makikita naman natin parang, kung titignan mo nga mabuti, parang preview of the championship na to eh. Kung napaaga lang, nagkataon lang na. So, coach, how do you think the series is going to be won, especially now na ang kalaban mo is Nueva Ecija?
Well, kami, bibigay lang namin yung best namin. Talagang every possession, talagang lalaban kami dyan. Magpe-prepare kami ng maayos. Very excited kami makatapat yan kasi yung Nueva Ecija group, galing din sa amin na grupo yan eh. Mga kaibigan ko rin yung coaches dyan. So, challenging para sa amin pero we will prepare.
Okay, and that wraps up our post-game interview. So congratulations to you, Coach Manu and Bam Gamalinda. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.